who have been celebrating years anniversary, they will celebrate with their own family or with their friends. But in Tamira, they decided to do something else. So I want you to please tell us what are we planning for on this 5th anniversary. So அதோட title first சொல்லிடலாமா?
ஆமாம்.
Yeah.
So today we are planning to launch what we call Samarpan.
So yes. So Tamira Samarpan அப்படின்னா என்ன அப்படின்றத நம்ம வந்து மேம் கிட்ட கேட்டு தெரிஞ்சுக்க போறோம். அதுக்கு முன்னாடி லெட்ஸ் ஹேவ் தி லோகோ எப்படி இருக்குன்னு பார்த்துலாம். வாவ், தமிரா சமர்ப்பன், அந்த பேரே வந்து அழகா இருக்கு. ஸோ எப்படி மேம், எப்படி வந்து ஒவ்வொரு விஷயம் கண்டுபிடிக்கும் போதும் தமிராங்கிற பேரும் அழகா இருக்கு, கேட்சியா இருக்கு. அதே மாதிரி இப்போ தமிரா சமர்ப்பன், வாட் இஸ் திஸ் ஆல் அபவுட்? டெல் அஸ் வாட் இஸ் த டைட்டில் அபவுட்?
First, I should give the credit for choosing this name to my marketing consultant, Aarti, because when I was talking about her, this particular program, she came up with this name. Tamira in Sanskrit means surrender or dedicate.
Oh.
So when I started plastic surgery, many of them used to tell me that I'm very lucky because I can treat celebrities and I will come to know many of them. But once I started practice, it was very different. I saw a farmer bringing his son with an enlarged male breast who refused to go to college because he felt ashamed. And I saw another mother who brought in a 12-year-old daughter with a enlarged female breast, which is about 2 kilos each side, and she couldn't go to school because everybody was teasing her. So then there was and some of these people I was not able to operate because they could not afford the fees, simply because in aesthetic services we like to follow standards because safety of the patient is important. Okay. So there's some cost involved. So at that point I was not able to support such people and they had to choose some other places. So over a period of time we decided, no, we'll have to find out some way to help such people. And of course, Professor always has encouraged us that we should give back something to the community from what we've got so much of privilege. Okay. So that's where this thought came in. But simultaneously, when I was thinking about this, I happened to read this book called Infinity Vision. Oh. Okay, that's about the life story of Dr. V, who Aravind Eye Hospital, how he had contributed to the society. So this actually book changed my thought process, and with that we decided to launch Samarpan today.
Okay, that's nice actually. So wherever we find aesthetic surgeries and all that, everybody they'll be scary to come to you and to treat themselves and all.
Yes.
But here, even an underprivileged can come to you, is what you are telling from this
Yes.
Samarpan.
Yes.
So that is very nice initiative what you have done. So in this Samarpan, I'm a girl next door and I don't know anything. I'm zero in this aesthetic and all these technical terms. So tell us, what surgeries will you be providing free of cost?
Yeah, so this will include entire spectrum of plastic surgery. It can be aesthetic surgery like an enlarged male breast or a breast reduction, because that it's a need. Some people need them because it for them to get back into the mainstream, because as I mentioned, they don't want to go to college because they're getting teased and all this. But adu mattum illame post burn victims, some of the government hospitals may not have the facility to do laser after the burn surgery, or even after the initial care, some reconstructive work needs to be done, like Professor Pitange, for them to get back and start going to some work, socialize and think. So this would include post-burn reconstructive work, post-trauma reconstructive work, post-burn, if they have lost hair, we do a hair transplant for them. So it include the entire spectrum. Okay. So suppose we don't have expertise in Tamira, I will invite my other plastic surgery colleagues to come and perform these surgeries at our places.
வெரி நைஸ். அதாவது காஸ்மெட்டிக் சர்ஜரினா எல்லாரை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் வந்து இட் இஸ் ஆக்சுவலி அழகுபடுத்துறது அப்படின்னு சொல்லி எல்லாருமே நினைப்பாங்க. பட் இட் இஸ் நாட் தேட். இட் ரேசஸ் யோர் செல்ஃப் கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லலாம். இந்த மாதிரி பிரெஸ்ட் லெவலை வந்து கம்மி பண்ணி கொடுக்குறதா இருக்கட்டும், ஹேர் டிரான்ஸ்பிளான்ட்டாக இருக்கட்டும், இதெல்லாம் வந்து இவ்வளோ ஈஸியாக பண்ணுறதுனால த கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ் லெவல் இஸ் அ வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் திங் ஃபார் ஹியூமன் பீயிங் தட் யூ ஆர் பீன் சேஞ்சிங் வித் திஸ் ப்ரோக்ராம். ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட், இப்போ நான் வந்து ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், இப்போ நான் வந்து உங்ககிட்ட இந்த இனிஷியேட்டிவ்ல வந்து நான் வந்து ஜாயின் பண்ணிக்கணும் அப்படின்னா, வாட் ஷுட் ஐ டூ, ஹவு ஷுட் ஐ join?
Yeah. So what we have done is, in order to make this process transparent, we are launching a portal on our website. So anybody who is interested to avail this particular service, they can click onto our website, go to the portal and register themselves. And so you can see a back screen how we formulated this. So they upload their certificate because, see, this is mainly meant for someone who can't afford. And I would like to support my colleagues in my government services who are trying to serve these people, trying to help give them little more, and they don't have these privileges. So my colleagues need to refer them to us. So they need to get a letter from government doctor or the local treating doctor. All the certificates can be uploaded, and then they'll be prioritized based on when they register. And every month we will do one free surgery, and
Every month?
every month.
Wow.
At this moment, we can do only one surgery, so it will be completely free of cost, end to end. The investors in Thamira have wholeheartedly accepted that we will bear the cost to do this procedure.
Great, great. That is a great message from you. It is a great surprise from you actually. ஏன்னா எந்த ஒரு burning sensation இருக்கிறவங்களோ இல்லை வந்துட்டு ஏதாவது ரொம்ப வந்து கிரிட்டிக்கலான சுச்சுவேஷன் இருக்கிறவங்களுக்கோ வந்துட்டு they will just move on with the life like that itself. அவங்களோட whole லைஃபும் வந்து அப்படியே கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ் இல்லாமல் அப்படியே தான் இருக்கும். இல்லை எந்த ஒரு விஷயம்னாலும் மாற்ற முடியும்னு you have proved today. So 5 years of celebration has been like double dhamaka today. So now let us officially launch Samarpan.
Yes.
With your presence and also with one more superstars present. So let us welcome Professor Dr. R. Venkataswamy as the founding father of the Institute for Research and Rehabilitation of Hand and the Department of Plastic Surgery at Government Stanley Medical College and Hospital, which on an average conducts around 10,000 hand surgeries annually and imparts a difference in their lives. Professor continues his commitment to serve by currently heading Apollo's National Institute for Reconstructive Hand Surgery, Microsurgery and Plastic Surgery at Apollo First Med Hospital, Kilpak. We welcome you, sir, to impart your wisdom and inaugurate Thamira Samarpan. With a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
I should say a great namaskar. Dr. Jayanti Ravindran joined us as a postgraduate student at Apollo First Med Hospital and the other group of Apollo hospitals. I found her a very interesting person in the sense she was focused from the beginning in the subject. A student with few words, but remarkable commitment in her studies. She is with us for nearly 6 years. One good thing with Apollo group of hospitals in Chennai is that they get exposed to all aspects of plastic surgery, which is very difficult to get in any other center in India. Each hospital, Apollo Main Hospital, Apollo Specialty Hospital, and Apollo First Med Hospital, each has got its own specialty, and the candidate has the pleasure of going through and learning all the knowledge about various aspects of plastic surgery. Now, Dr. Jayanti, as a student, she was very brilliant, very quiet going, at the same time, well committed to the specialty in which she was getting the training. And I would like to mention on this occasion, in the early 60s, the Plastic Surgery Association was started by some of the leading pioneers, one among them being late Professor Balakrishnan. Sir Harold Gillis was a plastic surgeon and all-rounder. He inaugurated our association. As days passed, as decades passed, there was tremendous progress in various aspects of surgery in general and also in plastic surgery in particular. Several branches were started, rightly so, and aesthetic surgery is one among them. Today, aesthetic surgery has got a large number of people as members and doing excellent work comparable to any other country in the world. And we are very happy to see several branches of plastic surgery. Sometimes people commented that what will happen to the general plastic surgery, that there's nothing to worry. A lot of areas are there. As some branches recede, some new branches are added up. So that's how today plastic surgery is flourishing. And particularly Jayanti Natarajan has to be congratulated because she has thought of giving something back to the society. That is very important. Any member who belongs to the surgical field, not only surgical field, any field, you must give something back to the society. Particularly in a country, poor country like ours, you have got to give very good service to the needy. But late Professor Balakrishnan used to say, at that stage, we have no time for aesthetic surgery. But today things have changed. There are several people who can do the functional surgery. And so new branches, the Jayanti has rightly put it, some of them get very much depressed with their appearance, with their body control. So naturally they need some attention, and rightly so the aesthetic surgery has grown well. And Dr. Jayanti has chosen her work in a splendid manner. Her journey was very appreciable because she thought she should gain good experience in aesthetic surgery in all its fields. So she prepared herself in the initial stages by visiting centers across the globe and trained herself as a very good aesthetic surgeon. And today she has made a mark, a remarkable mark across the country, and it is 5 years since she has started an institution committed to aesthetic surgery. Dr. Jayanti, I wish you well on this occasion, and more than that, your idea of doing service to the people belonging to any specialty, needing some amelioration of the problem, and you have taken it up in a big way. Though there are several centers doing excellent work, I am talking about the work which they do for free or poor. She mentioned the example of Arvind, and there is Ganga who is doing some work in Burns area, and there are several people across the country who are doing very good work. And I greatly appreciate you for choosing this field, and you have opened it for all who are deserving. And with the strict screening, you will be able to help the poor very much. I wish you all this best in this endeavor, and we will be only happy to associate yourself in whatever way we can help you. We will also offer our help. With this, I thank you, and thank you once again for all your members and others. Thank you very much.